Chevre, in zijn we doen met Zevi van Lilac Party Rental. Zevi, I gooi de halb zurück beëdig. You did my son's Wachnacht and it was out of the world. Whoever came, Chaim, weer gewinnt der Wachnacht. Who did those centerpieces? Weer gemacht a beautiful, beautiful decor. And I said it was Lilac, Zevi Friedman from Lilac. And then I said after the Wachnacht, you know what, Zevi, we gotta do a video about this.
So Lilac Party Rental is an upscale party rental for all types of occasions, events, simchas, anything is on the heim. If you want to make it on your own.
That's it, that's where you come in. So I believe the gedank that if somebody makes something at home, you come around and you touch it, you give it that touch, the decor, the lighting, the vases, the cutlery, the glasses, to come around with as a vibe. So Zamas with the do this as a Wachnacht
style is made like a shine upscale, for a Sheva Brochos, for a siyum, Malka style. It could be any nice occasion event.
So this is the Tish do. Tish do Zevi.
The Tish do is perfect for a Upsherin. You want to make a nice Upsherin in your house. You want something nice.
Oh wow!
You want something up to date. But not spend a lot. This is a perfect idea.
This is magnificent. Wow! So he comes through with all the chicks up all the props with the. I love it. And like you go through with the customer what type of theme you want.
Exactly what they like, what they want. If they have something in mind.
Creativity. Also, the ganze website.
We have a website. Wow. We can also check alle Sachen was in
Wow, coffee bar over here. This has a Upsherin vibe.
People need it.
Sunday afternoon, a coffee bar, a nice setup. The tisch te goochit.
So we have tablecloth only for the actual tablescapes. It's like ready tablescapes, but we also have a lot of just plain items that you can rent out.
Nice. I love this Upsherin vibe. Very cool vibe. What's the day vibe do?
It's more a Wachnacht style.
It's a Wachnacht style. Just a nice. This is all your stuff.
All my stuff. We have more, but we bring up samples to be able to see.
Wow. I put a little bead with those. So the nice draping with all the bowls with everything, candlesticks.
Whatever you need. Lighting we have.
Lighting versteht sich in the bag. Do I make the lighting? The lighting also. Bags for the backelig. Those darf unstoppen the taschen. I love that. Very cute. Have the Wachnacht vibe. So Zevi takes you from the Wachnacht through the Upsherin, the Bar Mitzvah. Nachdem the Gassen auch oder noch nicht Zevi?
Eventually,
with the Gassen is. What's the day vibe do?
It can also be like for Sheva Brochos, Asiyam, Shine Lava Malka. It could be even for a nice Hanukkah
party.
Now Hanukkah's coming up.
Wow, very beautiful. So literally for a couple of dollars, nicht ganz sach, you can have these beautiful
glass chargers,
nice vases, nice candelabras,
drinking glasses,
and it gives a whole new touch to your event. What's the date?
There's something more for couples, something more like you want to make a nice birthday party, anniversary is coming up, you want something a little bit nice, more cozy in your house. Hast du ein Setup.
It's fairly also food off on vacation, Zevi.
Nein, wir können alles mit daheim.
I love it. So in daheim, you can call Zevi, schickt dich a beautiful. I'm going crazy with this. Well, it's a next level gedank. These chargers, with the little goblets, little heart cups, flowers, some champagne, and you're set. Hast a vacation anniversary party in your house. Unbelievable, Zevi. So what's the website, Taka?
Website is www.lilac.party.
The number Lilac. So
something more
something, yeah. It's cute. And the phone number?
Is 929-244-9377. Can call, text, WhatsApp, can email. We're here to serve you.
The service. This can ich meid sein. You were by my Wachnacht. You did a beautiful job. The service, delivery, pickup. On the phone, welche style was the? Laat me helpen, welche color, welche design, welche charger, welche. It's just a certain vibe, and it gave a whole new flavor. Maar Wachnacht heb ik got the candelabras do. It's called candelabras.
Yeah.
The whole candelabras, and it put the whole new vibe. And the start lighting, beautiful lighting in the back. This is something that for a few dollars, literally a few dollars, very affordable, can some ganze andere vibe. It's on a party on a whole new scale, as always. Lilac Party Rentals, Zevi Friedman here to take care of you. The Perlowitz got to do something special, especially the Wachnacht. What's that Perlowitz?
We'll do like this. Everyone that orders the order, should be a tablescape, a decent size order. We'll take care of you from now till Purim time.
Nice, Purim. I'm half Chanukah. You guys be Purim.
You always have to be ahead of the game.
Step ahead of the game. Al Meresh of Chanukah. What's kannst du tun für Mishpuchas? Macht eine in-house Hanukkah party, they want to level it up a little.
Reach out to us, we'll help you. We have some ready tablescapes. You can stammen the order in just centerpieces.
Also Hanukkah centerpieces, Lemushel, special for Hanukkah. Or that everything is
I
special.
was Ken Irat to Hanukkah. We have donut boards, like if people want to have it. It should be nice displayed. Just reach out, we'll make you happy, man.
We'll make you happy. Chavre, reach out to Zevi. It's Hanukkah jetzt, party time, Hanukkah parties. Zevi will take care of you. He has your back. Lilac Party Rental. Zevi has my lechting and tug.